Forgotten username recovery failed on Business Fix. If your business username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that now uses your registered email as your main login credential. That's why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the app or go to the website. Enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for past messages from, such as bank statements, payment alerts, or account notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to log in using the same method. Many failed recovery attempts occur because users switch login methods. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact business support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple: removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and business funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your business account and finances in minutes.